Ebusianfo my mom akwaba eba Ghana Sem TV GH. Mesre or like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification on so that anytime you post a video, be to say we are some bekabi. Ebusianfo papa bakwa oye very very popular. Ewo Africa ha. Most especially South Africa or your politician or your friend Julius Malema. Or the economic economic fighters in the BBB or South Africa. Who papa nim na otime hu say unim ni wo baby Julius Malema ababo ntabeka say ade a John Mahama any Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa aye no omo anye ni yi or see the way Mahama any Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa ye foreign minister are dealing with the whole South Africa situation no as di propaganda ya fame Nyama ya muye no. I say the way they are going about things, omudi jiji sensemu and all blah blah blah. I say omuna omuye bibia o ble ble sa nyama nyina no. I say antics no eya do sudodo. Antics no eya do sudodo. And that is what Julius Malema is saying. Now me I can't help but agree. I have to agree to it because ebusianfo sa xenophobic attack is asemi nyene na start. Nyene. Idea be every year, Erike, every year. And I say, for more South Africa, say they have a specific time. Says our election, no, then some of the people who want to contest, no, that they incite those kind of violence, as a way of making their names. Now, successive high commissioners to South Africa, no, they have been able to normalize the situation and find a solution to it, an alternative to it. Enti na yewo embassy, yewo South Africa. Ghana High Commission of South Africa, no. The reason it is there, and they say, in say we ever upper, we should find a solution to it. That is the most important aspect. Right? Now, as I'm saying, no, what in tem, we have gone to take about 300 people out. Now, asema akọ ba echinene say, ebra muye documentation masankrofo to bring them back. It has come to light say out of almost 300 muno nipa by 10 pe ene word document. South Africa hono. They say nipa over 290 nyina no muye illegal migrants. South Africa. What it means, they say, you are signaling the South African authority, they say, go and crack down on more Ghanaians because majority of Ghanaians are they don't have papers. That is what you are telling the immigration. And what says situation now? What says situation now? That is what you've done. And to say, no, Ghanaians are going to be targeted the more. Manka say, yenja ye compatriots or hona yan attack you or mu, Debbie. But I'm saying is say, dialogue no, anka will have been the best alternative than what Okudzeto Ablakwa could have done. Now Okudzeto on him say, sa dia kind of repatriation when your first time I repatriation. Your compatriots bebre ya omu tumi kochiri omu middle east honum. We bring them back. Dubai, Honor, Saudi Arabia, Nisa Kuwait, for instance. So we bring them back. We don't make noise about it. Ukraine, DSC, you know. We went to bring the student back and even integrated them into our system, our society back in 2022. Yanya hundede. And it's all over Groverobi, Ebana, Otumenya Obialzi, and Inyaji Sabagana. You see me catch us a nipa. Nepa wetu kwa wankwa kwa bobra no na oba fia any day and he just say yes ya pam no free ho weba one for share my back sana. I mean I couldn't hear but agree because obia watu kwa na kwa bobra wo ho no, you will not wait for something like this to happen before you can come back to your country. They say wo ni shi we dey wo na South Africa ho na Chief Buzo. And also about say by papa about you about fi nya by papa bia na aba ye nim mu na chire mu get papa workers asem no among the repatriate no na chire no South Africa ho no nti tickets ka do ba okrom kra efie kra oni bi enti e kan no kwanka asem anko si anka waka South Africa ho no waba back obedwun hu no ese aban we ese amount say ese amount 5,000 Ghana cedis around $450 ese enu na wo de be rent wo de be start business wo de be twa bills so you are jubilating, you are doing propaganda with it. You know, ebusianfo baby bia wo Ghana ha bia se wo pe photographers omunim juma eba no editing omu twa pictures omu cameras akese lenses akese omu drones ni bibia ope bia no a touch of the way photography for omu naba was screen so esa wo contact omu say yeah a wedding funeral birthday party and I say asase bi mpo na wo na opese wo hia drone video ni drone pictures of asasina but modern say wa contact the touch of the way photography bebia upe se omo ye dwuma no ma e wo Ghana ha bebia no omo ye claro na omo ya ma and omo ye very 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 affordable so upe so ye birthday photo shoot mo amanoni person surprise you be with a birthday photo shooter very important but modern say only touch of the way photography for wedding komo and they catch them say Ghana Sem TV GH4 and I recommend it. Once when I say Ghana Sem TV GH4 and I recommend you mupe when you have the special discount.
The AU, the Ghana response was not necessary because it now creates an impression that we are all like that when it is a certain section of our society that needs to be contained by law enforcement. And one Ghanaian lady was saying, you see, the problem is, and I wouldn't have taken this option. The problem is we're being beaten in front of the police and the police are not doing anything. That's the problem. And when this opportunity came for me to leave, I left because if the police can't defend me, it means the state is in agreement with the people who are beating me. So we think it was too quick. We'll still resolve this. And President of Ghana should have given us, some time to really deal with this matter, and we'll get to the bottom of it. We hope they will come back to their senses. We don't have to respond the same way they did. We need to pursue the diplomatic engagements with Ghana until we find one another. We don't think Ghana responded in a manner that really reinforces dialogue and diplomatic engagements. It actually creates a very bad, extreme situation, which is not. It's a selected few, and we are pursuing and persuading government to still act on those few. And we're saying to them, they must give us some time, they must be patient, and those who don't feel safe, especially the legally documented Ghanaians, should be able to run to police stations for safety, and then they will be directed to rightful places where they will be secured. But, it's an emotional issue for many of them, understandably so, but the reaction of government should have been, postponed a bit to give us an opportunity to deal with what is happening here in South Africa.
My last question, I'm sure the colleagues would also want to talk about local issues. The issue here, you also have genuine concerns by South Africans. 30 years on.
Ebusianfo, ubetimi aboaye, your production na ye. As time is passing, your studio, kind of saying, vision, scanning, and then also equipment in your bebre. It might be say be more and all those things. One I'm betting me a boy. A political platform and a pro MPP political platform. And can scan one I pay and can make I say neutrals. And news no bar na NDC MPP news cow be a kaya drink a cake. But you see a person MPP wa buy more. And no now money to me coining. So we dedicate ourselves to MPP. And no po obi ama ye one Ghana crop MPP no. And there ye Debbie. And sometimes we compare advertisers. See Debbie. If say be adverts wo mo I say MPP for And this for say Juma ma and me. And you hear your support to keep this work going. That is why the number is right here on the screen. And Phyllis said, we have no work into your pocket. So what you have is what you can give us. And people do so beautifully. Kofo bi kura mu ni bi kura mu frɛ ɛde ka ɛyɛ den crying. Is that the right tree there? He said there. But please help us. Help Ghana Sem move forward.
Ntia se na Addo agenda 111 hospitals no. O start se o si ni nyina abom. Metra se de mense gu mitika se inti pani pa na o kasa asem because na medwene ho a mentia se COVID baaye. Eniema Ghana for fame ate tia Ghana for fame na yankopon asom na Addo daye ene bawo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia yese yemfa hospitals yimbra na sebio o travel fi Accra ebi eko ekura bi ase na anajo oyem ka ho anase bibia wetimi aye den akọ sa hospital na aye den ye treat you na enye me wanwa so ka sa because okotra fi 8 years no de otimi dwene ya so de bebre Ghana for na ye nkokon ketinketi. In this 21st century, said Penny already president da. Utimi continue position 8 good years. Enye 1 year, enye 2 years, so 8 good years. Now Obana say, oh Brian Kokon Kitinkitia. Ne say it's neither here nor there. Na Bra Felix Michaud, minim se parliament your committees are ewo ebi on health, ebi on education. Be on digital and technology then they endra Sam George space na your course no or si bill no is a cake na there is a new bill on farmer yen so or si dabi mesre kwan bia SMPP mpanifo ani ensa kasa bill na nsa no de akọ parliament no mesre so monsaka because akwa no adwenboni oni tim hwese mpanifo a sebio plane crash omuko wuye asema Sam George beka ne se na eba ni trim se or shut down internet because people were sharing the videos and other stuff ne se akwa no oni adwen papa bia ma Ghana wadane ne ho sam detector bi intina misusu se intisanko no ne the president of Ghana eye ne a anka den ne be den ebisi intimehwe sa bill no kwan bia mbefa so omudija begu ne so a or the beba no because yen youth na yaba no tech environment ne no na ye den ye dididi nkakra ye de hwe ye busiafo nti so wodi bibi beba na eba be sei ye dwuma de ye ntiase already na no se we bia adwuma mi se adwuma kakra me manage obekwa kutia working permit for the year obetua we obeye renewal obeye sei chese eniema bebre workers wafa ba kumienu so otu omosnet so file for tax so yesi sa nioma ni nyina no Sam George no o se ne yere ne hwe no ombi adwuma bia da inti no enro no beka kire nso no bie IT company se 2013 se dende ene ese masa obwa umbi adwuma bia wo so yere ne hwe wa waka wonu muton enye se ye audio bi na obeka se ya doctor wa also yere ne hwe ntumbi adwuma wenti mehwe committee on health abubo ya na omode baaye na omo se yi no ye pese Ghana fo ye pese omu yehu the amount involved omode to sa nioma ne ye den de baaye tu sa nioma na Sam George ye budget ye de ma no sika no baby a wedi akodu nyina he has to account for your co-education even sa sanitary pad omo se omo toche no yehun se omo nam eche ba kumienu into be so omo kire se sa 320 se 350 million hwan Ghana cedis no Inti ye chair pa de baako no eno ano no ana. Inti mehwe saa nneoma ni nyinaa na committee on a friend is saying okujeto ministry no we
Foreign
want to
affairs.
see said the omudi see so omudi nipa baako bia ma ministry bia se omonye dey omo nso jangu yeso no saa nso na me nso me pese ye party ne ye den ye pese pin kura tofema na ye de kire Ghana for any internet no sebio ekwa etwe algorithm say wo internet into share video baako mienu miensa pe eno ano no obi akọ internet ne so pe na pop up enti mehwe we ye nka se ye wo internal election si ye wi ansa na ya penko form be sa da bi ye we kuku dam form wo parliament a omote committee so they can do that enti minkoto dwegu fam eno ne adesrede a me pese ye mpanifo ne ye man na Ghana fo hu endi sufo ada pa omote oman mu na ono Asam George ne ka bibi se utwa ntro opposition na obo aban mu a adwuma ye de ma untimi nya den enye and then indeed insemhunu ne nsemfono a okache ye maame eslolusu look at what he is doing me say ndra nenum pen o say onfa bill ne man ne man chese enti chese ye ni bete no na ese ya ye den ya pass enti ene ne kakra mpese me ka mesre
Yeah,